Hello everyone, it's me once again. Like I've said to you before, I'm going to be bombarding you guys with videos from now till when election is done. You know, it's so exciting. There's so much excitement in the air. There's so much hope. There's something that hope does to you. It just rejuvenates you as if you're living again. I mean, I'm looking at myself. I'm like, my skin is popping. You know, I'm like, oh my goodness, the hope in Nigeria is just so amazing. And I just want to share this thought with you. There's a saying by Jim Rohn that if you want to set goals, if you want to set a goal, you should set a big enough goal so that in the process of achieving that goal, you become somebody worth becoming. I'm going to repeat that again. Jim Rohn said that if you want to achieve a goal, you should set a big enough goal so that in the process of achieving that goal, you become somebody worth becoming. And I'm saying to you, all Nigerians, this is the time for us to set that big goal so that in our process of achieving that goal, we all become some people worth becoming. Peter Obi's campaign, Peter Obi's path to 2023, that should be our big goal. Yes, there are people who are telling us it can't be done. There are people who are telling us all the things that will not make it work. The answer to that is next. Let's keep going. We're setting this goal and we are not afraid to work. The difference between us and others is the fact that we are ready to put in the work, and that's what is most important. What is most important is for you to see this is what needs to be done, and for you to be able to put in your everything. And most times that's what is always missing, and we have that right now. And I tell you, this is the time for us all to work together, come together, leave all the shenanigans. Let's not focus on non-issues. Focus on one. Let us have a singularity of purpose, which is to get Peter Obi into the Aso Villa. And when he gets there, it's for us to hold him accountable, make demands on him, and ensure that he continues to work for the people. He gets on the right people, the right team, and do everything that is in the best interest of Nigeria. You and I can do it. It's just a little bit of one thing. Whatever you did yesterday, remember, yesterday died last night. It's all about what is it that you're doing right now. What is it you're going to do? And that's what we almost focus on. Do all our bit. Let me give you one thing. Can you talk to 5 people today about Peter Obi? Tell them what he's all about, the competence, what he has done before, and what we hope to see from him, and the fact that he has empathy. He cares for the people of Nigeria. Tell 5 people, convince 5 people, and let those 5 people go on to tell other 5 people. 1 for 5 votes. That's how you create those votes. And as you continue like that, imagine every day you're able to talk to 5 people and convince 5 people for Peter Obi. How many people will that be before we get to February 2023 when we do the vote? So hey, we have all the work to do. And also remember to keeping your money aside that you want to donate for his campaign. He needs money. Most times when these people are talking about structure, it's always about money. So every one of us, we must put our monies where our votes are. We'll vote him. And so before he gives the account, he will be the one. A lot of people are saying, oh, set up an account. I said, no, he will be the one to set up his own account, and all we have to do is to donate in there and ensure that the money is being used judiciously. There must be accountability and transparency. So what you do for now, set aside the money that you want to be putting there. You want to be putting there 1,000 every week? Is it 2,000? Is it 500? Or you don't even want to put money, but you want to put in the time into the campaign? You can do that, and let's get that doing. So our big enough goal is to get Mr. Peter Gregory or Obi into the villa, so that when we say Mr. President, we want A, B, C, D in Nigeria, we will know we have a president that not only will listen, but will care for the citizens of Nigeria. At the end of the day, we want a Nigeria that works for every one of us, and not just the Nigeria that works for a few. Let's do it. We can do it. Our big goal, we'll get it to work. Thank you, and see you again tomorrow.